Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Lim Osmantri. I'm from Polytechnic Shah Alam. Today I will show you to maintenance the motorcycle, changing the motorcycle oil. Okay, I will be using rock oil, motorcycle oil, rock oil, funnel, tape for is the leaking, and strap wrench, and brake pad, and some racks. Okay, firstly, I need to take the drain pan. You can see for the oil is draining out from the engine. Need to let it out first before we change the oil. Okay, next we need to get the racks and just clean it first. Next, we put it back. And we need to clean the old oil first, so we can check the any leaking after we fill the new oil. And using the strap wrench empty. Okay, next I will put the oil. Open this first. Clean it with the racks. And then use a funnel so it won't flow. It will flow slowly. Okay, it seems the funnel doesn't fit. The oil. Put first. Okay, we pour it slowly. The leaking oil. No. Okay, pause. Okay, now I will check if there's some leaking. Maybe there's no leaking. If there's some leaking, you can tighten it up bigger. So there is no leaking down. Okay, so now that's how you change your motorcycle oil, easy way. So thank you for watching. Hopefully it will be helpful for all of you. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Ciao.